Hi, this is the review of the Luma humidifier. As you can see, it doesn't look anything like a humidifier at all. It looks more like a vase, a very tall vase. Right now I have all the extensions mounted, so that's why it's at the maximum, which is 43.5 inch. There are other various attachments, so you can make it shorter to maybe about here, which is about 23 inches. Here's the power button. If you hold on to the power button, it will go up or it will go down. It does include a remote control. The higher the pitch, the higher the humidifier is operating. Surprisingly, my floors never get wet, so I love this humidifier so far. Here is the remote control. It's really simple. Power button, up, down. The humidifier does not automatically shut off by itself. Right now it's at the maximum. Let me lower down to the minimum. Okay, there's only 8 levels of up and down. There's the humidifier does not automatically turn off by itself. You have to control it. So it does not know how much humidity there is in the room, and it doesn't automatically shut off. Let me shut it off now so that you can see how to refill the water. So we're just going to remove this attachment. And then you just lift this piece up. It disconnects immediately. Okay, so I've removed the middle part. This is where the water goes in. It's really easy. All you have to do is unscrew this. This contains a filter, which you can buy from Amazon for about $30. Basically, it removes all the minerals from your water, so that way it doesn't damage the machine. And in the instruction manual, they say to replace it every year, once a year. So you unscrew the cap with the filter, and then this is where you pour the water inside. Once you pour the water inside, just screw it back on, flip it over, and then put it down back into the humidifier again, the base of it again. Okay, so here you can see the humidifier without the water container. Now that I've filled the reservoir with water, I can put it back in the original position again. Alright, so it's good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.